In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use checklists in Trello. This short guide will help you streamline your tasks and organize your projects more efficiently within just a few minutes. Trello is an excellent tool for managing projects because it combines the functionality of a robust organizational tool with an easy-to-use interface. Let's get started by heading over to the Trello website. Once you're there, you'll want to look at the top right corner of the page where you'll see the Login button. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be prompted to sign in, and Trello offers a variety of options for this, including Google Login. For the purpose of this demonstration, click on the Google option and choose the Google account you'd like to use. It's a quick and secure way to log in and save you from having to enter your details each time. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. From here, you'll need to select the board that you want to work on. Simply click on the board that contains the project or tasks you're looking to organize with a checklist. Once your board is open, all your cards appear in columns according to their status or category. Next, identify the card on your board where you want to add a checklist and click on it. This opens up the card where you'll see various options for editing. Look to the left side of the card menu, and there you'll spot the Checklist button. Give it a click. You'll now be prompted to enter a title for your checklist. This could be something as simple as to do or more specific depending on your needs. It's useful to have a descriptive title so you know precisely what tasks you're tracking. After entering your title in the provided field, proceed by clicking the Add button to create your checklist. With your checklist created, it's time to start populating it with tasks. In the next field, type the first item you want to include in your checklist. It could be anything specific to your project. Just ensure it's actionable and clear. Once you've entered it, click Add again to insert this task into your checklist. Repeat this process for all items you need to include. Utilizing checklists in Trello is an intuitive way to keep everything on track without feeling overwhelmed. You can check off items as you complete them, and everyone on your team will be able to see progress in real time. So whether you're coordinating a small project or managing a larger team, checklists are a simple yet powerful way to enhance your productivity. And there you go. You've successfully set up a checklist in Trello. With this tool, you'll be supercharging your project management process. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.